What's up, guys? Here for another episode. We're going to be doing an interior detail on this Scion IA. I've already done this one. This is a previous customer of mine, but it's gotten in worse shape than the first time I've done it, and it was in pretty bad shape. What we're going to do to start this one off of, based on the previous clips that you saw on the inside, it was really bad, so our main goal is to remove all the crap that we can by hand first, which is like that Reese's candy, snacks, and crap like that, that my vacuum can't pick up. Toss it in the trash, take the floor mats out, and we're going to pressure wash those things with the degreaser and clean that stuff up before we get to the inside of the car. Okay, so as you guys saw, we took the floor mats out and everything. What I have here is called a rock. It's not even close to a rock, but anyway, what this does is you use this on those floor mats and then seats and carpets, and it pulls out those dog hair and potential cat hair, whoever has fucking cats in the back of their car or whatever. You can vacuum it up and everything. What I'm gonna do is actually pull the hair out with this and then hit it with the degreaser, and I'm gonna pressure wash it off so it looks like it's brand new floor mats. That way, no dog hair is stuck on it, and it's getting cleaned out thoroughly with that pressure washer.
Let's go.
So we got the floor mats all taken care of and everything. The next part is to use our blow tool with the extended tip, and to get in the cracks and crevices. That would be like in between the door and the center console where you can't really get with the vacuum. You want to blow all that out and blow it towards the back of the car. Okay, so I went over the vacuum. Everything came out great. I gotta go over it again though, because there's a lot of pet hair, so I'm gonna take the rock with me this time and brush it all out and then re-vacuum everything and clean it up even more. That's the next step. So next part, we're gonna have to use the extractor for all the seats, just because it's very beat up. She has a dog in here, and the dog left stains on the other side, and the front passenger side as well. So what I typically use a degreaser, and I like to spray down all the surfaces with the degreaser first. This way, this chemical will get into all the fabric and start beating out all those tough stains. Yeah, this is kind of strong. Sorry, bro. So once I'm done hitting it with the degreaser, I will follow up with my actual soap. I'm saying a lot now too because of Olin. Fuck, bro. Again. anyway, I'm gonna hit it with the soap. I got to use one of my machines back here. Brush with the bristles on it is meant for seats and carpet. What this will do is basically agitate your cloth area and everything. And then after that, we're gonna pick it up with the extractor, the hot water extractor. So I'll show you the process. So I'm filling this up with soap right now on the Tornador foam gun. What I'm gonna be doing is hitting the foam gun over the seats, because as you guys saw, they were pretty bad. I used the degreaser, it sat on there for about 5 minutes or so. So now that this is full, I have to connect this to my compressor, and you're about to see some nice foam. Okay, so here's the machine again. This is a rotary buffer. I have attached to this is the little hairs that are made from plastic, and they will agitate the seats and bring out all the crap before I extract it. So all the stuff, those stains that are in the seats, it'll get pulled up and out. So here it is. Just so you guys are aware, we do that first because once we use that tool, it splatters everything everywhere. So you really don't want to wipe your plastics off and then have that splatter everywhere. So you have to re-wipe it off. So we take care of the seats first. Next up, we're gonna hit the extractor. We got water in here. The 3 buttons are back here to turn on the pump, heater, and the vacuum. So we're gonna get started. So we just hit the extractor on all the seats, and they look freaking like perfect right now. All the stains are out. Next up are carpets. So I'm using my buddy, the black Z, whatever the hell, black Tornador. And we're gonna hit the carpets and basically blow out all the crap that's embedded into the carpets, which will help with the final vacuum at the end of this process. So here's the next clip. Tornador, everything's lifted up and off. So we're going to start with hitting all the door panels and on the interior, all the plastic pieces. Logically, when you're doing this, when you're cleaning everything, everything will naturally fall down to the carpet. So that's why you have the final vacuum after you use the Tornador, because once you're done wiping everything off on the plastic panels, it'll be on the carpet, and you'll have that final vacuum and your car will look spotless. What you need is an interior brush, microfiber towel, air tool, and your interior spray. All right, so we just finished with the final vacuum. Camera guy 90 will get you through here and show you how it looks like. Ignore the broken screen. She decided to fist the screen. What happened was we finished the inside of this car. So you guys saw the before and you saw the after. I think this thing came out freaking amazing. And we basically restored the whole entire inside of this car, except for the screen. I mean, like I said, she totally just fisted the thing, and it's fucking, that's totaled, man. Like, you gotta go to Kia for that shit. Anyway, everything came out really good. A nice matte finish on the inside. Seats are all extracted. Everything looks really sharp. Final vacuum came out really good. I got all the pet hair out, which is probably the hardest part. Yeah, I'm sure the customer will be really happy with this one and hopefully leave a nice review. So yeah, we'll see. By the way, if you turn over here, you can see the boys came back into town. You know what I'm saying? The boys are back in town.
Saturdays for the boys.
Saturdays are for the
Unless
boys.
Bay wants to hang out.